guys, this is Shereé and I brought you in super close so that we can do a makeup look together. Today I will be using the Shayla x Colourpop Perception palette. I'm really excited to share this with you. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now and I love it so much. Anyway, I'm just going to do one of my signature looks that I've been using quite often, so please stick with me. First thing I'm going to do is, I've already primed my lids and I just used my NYX eyeshadow primer base, and I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to dip into this color right here. The color is called Culture, and I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is tap into Thick, which is this orange color here. And I'm just putting this all over the lid. Okay, now that that's all over the lid, I'm going to go in with the color Revenge, which is this red deep brick color. And focus it on the outer edge of my eye. And I'm just blending it, still using the same brush. Now I'm going back into that Thick color, which is the orange, and I'm placing it again in the crease, and I'm just blending it on the edge with the other color, which is Revenge. Just blending, blending, blending so that they go together seamlessly. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with this dark brown, which is called Played Out, and I'm going to focus that on the outer corner of my eye, just right there on the edge. This was not the best brush perhaps to use since it seems to be shedding all over me. And these colors are extremely intense, which is why I'm using little taps, and I'm using a very light hand as I apply it, because since they're so pigmented, they can easily get a little crazy on the lid. But you will find that there isn't a ton of fallout with this palette so long as you're careful. But the color payoff for this palette is worth every penny. It is so good. Okie dokes. Now it's time to go in with some bling. Okay, so I am going to actually use my finger to apply this color called Diva, which is right here. It's a shimmery peach color, and it's kind of like a goldy, coppery, peachy type of color. It's very hard for me to describe, but you'll see my point in just a minute. And I'm just applying this on the inner part of my lid as well as the center. It's so pretty. Alright, now it's time to do something about this inner corner highlight. So I'm going to be taking this very pointy little brush here, and I'm going to be taking the color TF right here, which is a gold shimmer color, and I'm putting that right on the inner corner of my eye. So pretty. I hope my lights are not too bright for you to be able to see it. It's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to take the same brush and I'm just going to take what's left on this brush and just go under here. Excuse me while I make my ugly faces. And right now I'm taking Thick and I'm going right underneath the lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to take that Revenge, which was the brick red, and I'm going to go right underneath the orange color Thick. Now I'm going to go in with the Played Out, which was the brown, and put that on the lowest part of the lower lash line. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and do some liner and mascara. I'm back. Okay, so now it's time to apply my most dramatic mascara I've ever used. It makes my my lashes so big. And that is the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and this is just a black mascara, but I don't know what they put in this stuff, but when you see what it does to my lashes, you're gonna have to run and get you some. Okay, lashes, lashes, yes, yes. This mascara is so good, so good. I love it. Okay, so there's mascara. Now it's time to play with some highlight. I'm so excited. So I bought the entire collection, but today I'm just going to be using the Pose highlight, which is the one that's more of a coppery, peachy, bronzy type color. The other one is actually a gold, but this one is my favorite every day. It's not as intense as the gold, but it is still really quite beautiful. So pretty. Oh gosh, so pretty. I hope you can see how pretty this is. It's so pretty. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my nose. I'm looking in my viewfinder as usual. Now I have oily skin, so I really don't need to do this. My nose is glowy all the time anyway, but it's fun, so I do it anyway. Okay, so I already have lipstick on, and it is a Colourpop lipstick, but it's not a part of the collection. So I'm going to move on to a gloss on top, and I'm going to be using Neat Freak, which is a really beautiful gloss that comes in the collection, and apply that to the centers of my lips to give myself a little glow. And this is a peachy gold gloss. It's so pretty. It reflects different colors in the light. My type of gloss. And this is my look. This has been the look that I've been going to pretty much every other day. I love it so much. If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.